Hello again, and welcome to video number 3 in the Pearson product moment correlation video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the Pearson product moment correlation using SPSS. And here you can see my data, and I have two variables, variables x and variable y. And you might recognize this data. It was from video number 2 when we calculated r from the pen and paper method. So you'll remember here that we calculated an R value of negative 0.65, and we concluded that that was not significant because it did not reach our critical R value of 0.7. And if you'll remember that we used a 0.05 alpha level, and it was a two-tailed test. Okay, so we're going to calculate this exact same thing with SPSS. So here's the same data, and in order to calculate that R value, I'm just going to go to Analyze, Correlate, Bivariate. And bivariate means two variables, or between two variables. And I only have two variables in this data set, so I'm just going to throw them both into the box. Okay, and I'm going to hit Options, and I'm going to choose Means and Standard Deviations. Now, I did not calculate that previously, but SPSS will do it quickly and easily, so why not? I'm going to hit Continue, and over here we're going to make sure we have our Pearson correlation coefficient checked off, and we conducted a two-tailed test previously, so we're going to also do a two-tailed test for this calculation. And I'm going to hit OK, and our output window pops up, and in our output window we have two tables. We have our descriptive statistics table with our mean and our standard deviation for each of the variables. And we have our correlations table, which talks about the product moment Pearson correlation, the significance value, and the number of people in our sample. And you'll recognize here that our R value is negative 0.65, which is exactly what we got when we did our pen and paper method. And they have calculated the significance value. And the significance value is 0.081. Okay, now that is above 0.05. So that's why we had concluded that this was a non-significant relationship. So that's how you calculate the R value using SPSS. And in the next video, I'm going to show you another trick for calculating correlation coefficients.